Text, LG washer.
Troubleshooting an LG top-load washing machine door that will not close properly.
A top-loading LG washing machine with the lid open. 5 sections to the video appear at the bottom: intro, error code, damage, loose door, and more info. Intro is highlighted first.
There are a few reasons the door on your LG top-load washing machine might not close properly. Let's go over some troubleshooting steps.
A woman with a baby's bib near a washing machine. At the bottom, the error code section is now highlighted.
If you have a pedestal washer, are you seeing a code message on the display?
On the display pad of a washing machine, the error code D1 shines in green.
If you see DE1 on the display, this indicates that the drawer is not closed properly.
A hand pulls the bottom drawer fully out, then recloses it. The display pad now reads 39.
In this case, open and reclose the drawer and see if that clears the display code.
D2 on the display pad, an icon of an open lock.
A DE2 display code indicates that the drawer is closed but not locked. To clear the code, turn off the washer, open the drawer and restart the cycle. Then close the drawer.
Hot and cold levers on the wall with attached hoses.
If either code persists, close the house water taps and unplug the washer.
2 men near a washing machine, one with a clipboard.
The unit will require a repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page.
At the bottom, the damage section is now highlighted.
A top-load washer door may not close properly if the door has been damaged.
LG.com support webpage, request a repair at the top.
If the door is damaged, please visit our Request a Repair page.
On an LG washing machine, the top door stands open at 3 different points: high, medium, and low. At the bottom, the loose doors section is now highlighted.
Also check if the door is loose and if the hinge is working smoothly.
2 points at the door's left and right hinges circled.
If the door has been removed and replaced, it may not have been tightened securely.
A piece of clothing hangs over the open door of the washing machine.
The door can also become loose if anything has weighted it down, such as draping clothing or other items over the door while filling or emptying the machine.
More info section highlighted at the bottom.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text, lg.com/us/support, logos for Twitter, Facebook, message, email, and phone. Fine print. This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic error and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company name, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.